Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 308 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with front and rear parking sensors. It's also got 17-inch alloy wheels. Inside the car, the touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. On top of this, you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has full service history, comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine, gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 22,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.